Today, we're not just reviewing an airline seat, we're stepping into a different world. This is the new La Première by Air France, on their Boeing 777 Symphony in the Sky. To truly understand La Première, you have to understand its soul. This isn't about flashy gold or over-the-top bling. This is French haute couture. At 35,000 feet, it's discreet, it's elegant, and it's deeply sensory. The philosophy is to create a serene, private cocoon home in the sky that feels less like an aircraft cabin and more like a chic Parisian apartment. The new design pushes this further than ever before, with a sophisticated palette of navy blue, pearl gray, and warm caramel leather. Air France has created a sanctuary that whispers luxury instead of shouting it. It's a feeling you get, not just a feature you see. Champagne in hand, the chaos of the airport melts away. From there, you're escorted to the legendary La Première Lounge. This isn't just an airport lounge. It's a private club. You're shown to your own personal salon, a private room with a daybed and an ensuite bathroom. Yours for the duration of your stay. Hungry? The lounge features a dining experience curated by Michelin-starred chefs. You can enjoy a multi-course a la carte meal in the stunning dining room or in the complete privacy of your salon. It's restaurant-quality dining on your schedule. And to truly unwind before your flight, there's a spa in partnership with the Parisian luxury house Sisley, offering complimentary treatments like a 30-minute facial or massage. Your personal host handles everything, from your spa appointment to your dinner reservation. Your host leads you to a private BMW or Mercedes, which drives you across the tarmac, directly to the foot of the aircraft. You bypass the jet bridge, walk up a few steps on a red carpet, and are personally welcomed into the cabin. This seamless, quiet, and utterly exclusive transfer is a signature touch that sets the tone for everything that follows. Welcome to your sanctuary. On the 777, there are only 4 La Première suites, ensuring an unparalleled level of intimacy. The defining feature is the full-height sliding door. When closed, it creates a completely private, silent pod. A unique frosted glass effect can be adjusted for transparency or total privacy, cocooning you from the outside world. The seat itself is a masterpiece, upholstered in full-grain quilted leather by Italian design house Zanotta. It's a massive throne, 31 inches wide, and when it's time to rest, this seat transforms into one of the longest and widest fully flat beds in the sky. We're talking a true 2-meter-long bed, complete with a premium Simmons mattress topper, silky soft Sferra linens, and a plush duvet. The quality is simply that of a 5-star hotel. Every detail in the suite is meticulously thought out. There's a large closet for your clothes, a stunning 32-inch HD screen, and a personal tablet that controls everything from the lighting to the door. You'll find beautiful Lalique crystalware and high-end noise-canceling headphones from the French audio brand DV. The space feels like a personal studio, with a massive dining table perfect for a gourmet meal or for getting some work done. It's an environment designed not just for travel, but for living. In La Première, where dining is an event, it is entirely à la carte and on demand. You eat what you want, when you want. The menus are created in collaboration with celebrated French chefs, like the 3 Michelin-starred Bernardaud. The table is set with Cristofol cutlery and Bernardaud porcelain, each course served with precision and grace. Imagine starting with langoustines and caviar, followed by a main course of roasted Chalons duck breast. Then, a presentation from the cheese cart, featuring a curated selection of iconic French cheeses. And for dessert, perhaps a delicate Grand Marnier soufflé. And of course, there's the legendary caviar service, a generous serving with all the traditional accompaniment. The cellar in the sky is just as impressive. The wine list features prestigious Grand Crus from Bordeaux and Burgundy, alongside top champagnes. Think Che, Domargo, or Krug. Grande Cuvée, served by the glass. It's a connoisseur's dream, complemented by rare cognacs and artisanal spirits. This is not airline food. This is a restaurant in the sky. Every action is a ritual. From the welcome glass of Dame Perignon, served with delicate canapes, to the turn-down service where they transform your suite into a tranquil bedroom while you change into your pajamas. Speaking of which, the amenities are in a class of their own. The coveted amenity kit is from the revered Parisian perfumer Mason Francis Kirk Gian, containing full-size products. The luxurious sleepwear is from Atelier Tafferi, a historic French brand. It's so comfortable and stylish, you'll want to wear it at home. Even the entertainment system is thoughtfully curated. In the end, the new Première is more than just a luxurious product. It's a holistic, cultural expression of French art to vivre. In a world of flashy competition, Air France has doubled down on what makes it unique. Unparalleled privacy. Gastronomic excellence. It's an orchestrated series of perfect moments to spa treatment on the ground. The whisper of the suite door closing. The first taste of a perfect wine. The deep rest in a real bed. It is, without a doubt, one of the most complete and unforgettable experiences in the sky. Until next time, fly well.